Welcome to another video.
We hope everybody is staying safe and healthy out there. Together, we can get through this. I do apologize for the shortage of videos being published lately on YouTube. With the current COVID-19 situation, I've been at home with daddy duties lately since school has been closed. I'm only at the shop about half of the time to record videos of the work that we're doing. So please excuse the shortage of videos and the sounds of Legos scrambling in the background of this video. So let's jump right into this. This right here is a cement gray 3rd generation Tacoma. This one right here is going with a king setup for both front and rear with adjusters, cambered tubular uniball upper control arms, and we're doing an add-a-leaf system in the back retaining the factory overload spring. Since we fall under the category of essential businesses under automotive supplies and services, we will continue to keep our doors open and only work by appointments. We're only available and open for vehicle drop-offs and pickups. Since the current situation is evolving rapidly, we will update you if anything changes. If you're interested in setting up an appointment, feel free to give us a call anytime, send us a direct message on Instagram, or message us through the contact form by clicking on the link in the description below. As we mentioned earlier, we're actually retaining the overload spring on this setup with our add-a-leaf, only because there is a camper shell on here, so we'd like to get about 2.5 inches of lift. I do apologize if it sounds like I'm whispering. It's because my 3-year-old's actually napping right now. Here's the cambered tubular uniball upper control arms. We're assembling it right now and pre-greasing it so we can install it. With the new add-a-leaf installed with the new retainer bolt, we're now cutting off the excess threading. The 2.5 King remote reservoir shocks are going on the vehicle now. Here's a closer look at the front end suspension with the King's 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers with adjusters adjusted to about 3 inches of lift with the cambered tubular uniball upper control arms already installed. A set of the previously installed TRD Pro wheels, 17x7 size with a +4 offset, wrapped up in a 285/70/17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tire. Next up, we have this 3rd generation Tacoma. This one's a long bed that we're installing a king setup on. As you guys may know, we love pairing them up with the cambered tubular uniball upper control arms, as you can see here. We have another taco coming right in. This one right here is going with a set of RRW RR6H wheels, wrapping up in a Wild Peak AT3W from Falcon. For the suspension lift on this one, we're going with the Eibach Pro Truck lift system with a 1-inch rear lift block. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get notified every single time we post a new video. Our tech is seen here removing the protective film on the center cap.